Krabby Bill here, sitting on the porch, Krabby's Bar, North Wildwood, New Jersey. Me and so drove down this afternoon. Had a couple of things we were doing. I had ordered a griddle top for the barbecue grill from Camp Chef, and I didn't measure the barbecue grill top. The griddle top was 32 inches. The barbecue grill was 30. So I had to get the hacksaw out. Well, here we are seasoning the new cast iron cooktop. I ordered a Camp Chef cooktop for the grill, and I guess I really should have checked the size. I thought the burners were 32 inches. It's actually just about 30 inches. So I had to do a little modification there in the corner. But I oiled it, cooked it, oiled it, cooked it, oiled it, cooked it, and now I'm cooking a couple of burgers on it for the dogs. Shouldn't say nothing. Just shaking her head. So she's not really paying attention to the fact that she's been on camera the whole time. Got anything to say?
Nope.
Nope?
Nope.
Why's that?
I wasn't involved in the cooktop thing, remember? I didn't want to get involved.
Right, she didn't want to get involved. So she was upstairs. We got the downstairs here all open. Steven and me are supposed to come down tomorrow night after work and hang out with us a little bit. So, don't really have a whole lot this weekend. I may try to get a coat of paint on that new stucco. We had to run out to Home Depot and pick up bird seed. I ordered a Simply Safe alarm system for downstairs. So that's supposed to get delivered tomorrow. I imagine I'll install that sometime tomorrow. But just going to hang out here on the front porch. Us and the dogs. Watching the...
Show them the sunset setting.
I was told to show you the sunset.
When you get on the shout-out line, show me, grab your phone, make shout-outs, orders with your business. Tattoo.
How'd you like that sunset?
Don't you have to turn it?
No, after we're done, I'll turn around, I'll film the sunset, and then I'll put it in there. Not going to miss. I guess it's kind of going behind the clouds. Let me stop here. I'll be back.
Morning, everybody. It's Saturday, 4th of July weekend. We just came from the trash recycling center. Got rid of some trash. It's been hanging around for a while. A trash can we've had, I don't know, a year and a half without a lid. Just got moved from place to place. So that's a job well done. Krabby over there, Krabby Bill, driving on her way to Lowe's to get another griddle for the top of the barbecue grill. And it's probably going to be crazy in there, so wish us luck.
We're not getting a griddle for the top of the barbecue grill. We're getting a griddle.
Oh, I misunderstood.
You misunderstood.
So
You don't listen.
I don't listen, I guess, apparently. And maybe, I don't know what the plant's called. I call it a snowball to replace giant lilac bush in the garden that is not thriving. So, just got some jobs lined up. Weather's supposed to be iffy in and out. Right now it's pretty hot. So, we'll check back.
It's running.
There he goes. Griddle man. Not happy till he got a griddle. And now, he's got to put it together.
Now the fun begins.
Yeah.
Let the arguments happen.
I'm not involved.
Common theme from you.
Not involved.
Common theme.
Because I'll be the one getting hollered at.
Why you're there. What you do?
I'm not even looking. Just go.
Just scrape it across your foot? Huh?
Back of my heel.
What you do? Jeez, look at you.
Best wagon we ever bought. We bought it for our son Steven when he was little for the beach.
When he was born, 27 years.
27-year-old wagon. We've been using it 27 years, pretty much. You know, every other weekend. Use it to haul stuff. Oh.
You want me to light the dogs down?
Yeah. So.
All right. Krabby's been injured.
That's why I'm not involved.
What's that?
That's why I never get involved.
Oh, sure. So this is how it works around here. Guy at the store said, "No, it's not that big deal to put together. It's only a couple little pieces." Well, there's some more over here. Huh. Shouldn't take too long. And now that I've finished cooking Krabby your breakfast and the dogs their breakfast, I'll get right back to work. At least Rosie's interested in helping. All right, so first coat of oil's on here. You can see it's already getting dark. Kind of a crazy color to it. Oil's burning off. So you run it until the oil's burn off. And you do it again. And again. And again. So I also bought the Blackstone seasoning. With the other one, I cooked some hamburgers on it after doing the oil a couple times. That one's going to go up the mountains. So we're here more often than the mountains, and this will save from getting the house all stunk up with bacon and sausage and stuff in the mornings. So looks pretty good. I got the smaller one. We didn't need the 36-inch. Between the two grills, that's plenty. While I was working away on the griddle, Krabby hid up front here working on the flowers. I don't know what that is there, but she just planted that. She took out the, what did you take out?
The gigantic big heather.
Heather. And what is that called?
Hydrangea.
Hydrangea. She put the hydrangea in.
Snowball.
So she cowered away up front here while I put the griddle together.
Yeah.
And nothing to say
carry
but
it and pick it up.
oh, voice cuts like a knife.
All right, here we are. Krabby's bar. Krabby Bill's making some crabs for the Krabby. Oh boy. Ugh, this is the part I don't like. Crabs coming from 18th Street Canal. Shout out to Mike. We've been going there for as long as I can remember. Always has good crabs. Good conversation. Looks like Rosie wants to help. And there goes the secret seasoning going in the pot.
Thanks to my friend Biagio.
Oh, not my favorite part. And some more seasoning on top of the next layer. You gotta layer them. And it's getting pretty cool here. Feels like we're gonna have a little storm. Hopefully we'll get the crab steamed up before it starts pouring. So I guess it's cocktails and crabs for me. Krabby Bill doesn't eat crabs, just cooks them. More seasoning. My lips will probably fall off, but they are some good crabs. Best crabs on the island. Okay. Guess that's the end of them. Couple cans of beer in there. And there goes the lid.
Let them steam.
Set your timer.
Well, this is just my luck. Put the crabs on, seasoned the griddle and the other grill, and now it's pouring. Well, how are they?
They're delicious.
After the pouring down rain,
Yeah, well,
stood out here
could have did without the rain.
in the monsoon to cook you crabs. How are the crabs?
They're delicious.
1 thumb or 2 thumbs up?
4.
4 thumbs up?
No.
Okay.
Can't
They
eat
don't
them
stand a
fast.
chance, do they?
No. Can't eat them fast enough.
All right. I'm going to sit down and have a beer now and get ready to cook our dinner. Breakfast, lunch, dinner. I do it all around this joint. So, just to throw it out there too, if you're still watching this video, check out the Hungry Hussy on YouTube on Using the Griddle. I've been watching his videos the last couple of days. Check it out. The Hungry Hussy. Tell him Krabby Bill sent you. And his videos are pretty good. If you like food, you're going to want to check it out. We'll check back with you. Hopefully she doesn't lose a finger. Well, I cooked her breakfast. I cooked her lunch. And now, cooking her dinner. Going to do a little chopped up chicken breasts, peppers, onions. And under here, got some potatoes going. Never did this before, but been watching YouTube videos. We'll see what happens here. See how it turns out. Looks good. Not sure how it's going to taste, but it's looking good, so let's see what happens here.
Well, it's looking at me. I gotta turn it around. Okay, there you go. I did. There he goes at it again. Making home fries for his son.
Time for the bacon.
Gonna put the bacon on.
Get back.
Say good morning. Say good morning.
Morning.
We're gonna have breakfast on the veranda with the new umbrella.
It's a veranda now, is it? I always thought it was a porch. Look at the apple. I always thought that was a porch. It's a veranda.
Let's get a close up of those potatoes. If I don't fall and break my neck. Wah, wah, wah. And there goes the bacon.
Is there a meeting going on back there or something?
Yeah. Do you want me to see if there's an umbrella in there?
No, I'm good. I'm good. I'll just stand here. And yesterday I cooked breakfast, lunch, and dinner. It looks like it's shaping up for that today too. Come on over here for a second. Nice outfit. Look at you. Yeah. Okay. Back to the breakfast. We're getting there. Okay, blueberry pancakes for the chef. Remnants of regular pancakes and hash browns for Stephen. Mia, same thing. Lisa, bacon, sausage, home fries, pancakes.
As the kids say, it slaps.
It slaps.
For Rosie, nothing.
That's what the kids
She's
say.
Any wonder why it was 260 pounds and why I struggle to lose weight? Krabby made a snack. Just don't try to touch the crabs. So this cooking thing, where I have to cook every meal, starting to turn into something here, because I'm down here slaving away and they're all over here eating the appetizer. I'll just keep working away. You guys just keep eating.
It's always how it is, Bill.
Yeah, enjoy, all right? Hope you like sweating your food. Guess this video is all going to be about me cooking and this griddle. So today we got fresh peaches and blueberries, French toast. Yep, the bacon's already been moved. Still cooking. All right, here we go. Monday, July 5th. On our way back to Philadelphia. I have learned that I am now the personal chef of what? Ordered dinner for the last 32 years?
Right.
She thinks that I'm going to cook breakfast, lunch, and dinner now. Every day. We're about to hit some pretty serious traffic up ahead. Heading back to Philadelphia. Thanks for watching Krabby's Cooking Show. Because this video is all about cooking on the griddle. I'm obsessed with it at the moment. Today, I cut up peaches and I took fresh blueberries and I put them on the griddle and cooked them. Heavy traffic reported ahead. Put them on the griddle and cooked them down, and then put them on top of French toast with a side of bacon. Absolutely delicious. Krabby, what's your thoughts on the griddle?
2 thumbs up. How about you, Ray? She said it's hot. Don't bother.
The dogs are hot. They want to get home to the broken air conditioner. Didn't fix itself while we were gone. Still waiting for parts on our central air. It was so bad last week that I stopped on the way home and bought window unit for our bedroom. So, on our way back to Philadelphia. Thanks for watching. Please comment, like, share,
Subscribe.
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 We'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.